Hello, this is Elena Angel, and I'm going to be showing you how to do dressage. So first I'm going to go get my horse. These are all my horses, but I use this one. Right now he's unhappy, so I'm going to wash him. And then I'm going to clean his feet. And give him some hay. Now he's happy. Okay, so now I'm just going to ride over to the dressage arena. Alright, let's get started on that. Alright, so this is my last one, I think, until I'm level 20. I hope I level up today. And yes, this does cost a lot of gold. Okay, so then you just click start. It can be tricky, so you just hold down the screen and try to keep that arrow on the target. Alright. I don't know why, but I like to read these. Yes! I leveled up twice in one day. Wow. Eek. I already have all 3 epics. I guess I'll just sell it whenever I find one. I don't know if I have epic orbs yet. No, I used them all. There is none anyway. So, thank you for watching this video, and hope that this has helped you learn how to do dressage. And you also need a lot of energy for that, so my horse is level 65 and has 523 energy, and that just gets me enough to do dressage. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.